What's up, baby? Is it hungry time? Hi, Silver. Is the baby eating nicely with you? How's your head doing, Silver? How's your head doing? Hi. How are you, little guy? Hi. Say hi. Somebody wants to adopt you. Okay. Hello. Good boys eat hungries. That's how the good boys do it. That is. You're doing a really great job. That's how the babies do it. Hi, Mama Eb. Hi, Silver. Can I feel your head, Silver, and see how you're doing? You're doing a good job, Silver. It's okay, Silver. Come here. Come here, Silver. Let Mommy feel your ears. I gotta feel your ears, honey. I gotta feel your ears. That's okay. Come here, Silver. I just gotta feel your ears. Let Mommy feel your ears. See? It'll be okay. Be okay. Hi, little guy. Hi. I just need to feel your ears, honey. I need to make sure they're okay for these babies. Let me feel your ears, honey. You can stop jumping. I just want to feel your ears. That's all, Silver. Don't go. Please don't go, Silver. Mommy love you. Mommy just want to make you feel better. Bear! Bear! You better leave her alone, Bear. Bear be crazy. There's the little guy. There he is. Hi. Hi. Somebody loves you. Good boys eat their hungries. Yep, that's how the good boys do it. Hi, Lala. That's the mom. That Mama Lala and the brother. Likely a brother. I don't know if it's a boy or girl, but I'm pretty sure that is a boy. There's Carl, the big uncle. He plays nicely with those babies. Right, Carl? You're a good Uncle Carl. Yes, you are. Hi. How are you? There's your nephew. There's his favorite nephew to play with. He looks like his brother, huh? He looks like his baby brother you cared for so nicely. You did a great job, Carl. You did a great job. Look how good that baby's eating. Look how good. Doing a great job. Eating hungry is very good. Everybody doing great. Hi, Mama Patches. Hi.